The bottom line, with massive investments made into Metaverse space, it is now necessary to start designing and implementing relevant security measures. As the concept is still evolving, building proper security strategies poses a challenge. However, anticipating these cybersecurity threats and acting proactively will help stay safe. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. It seems like the Metaverse is in trouble. It's a new thing. We're gonna get right into it. We go in dark. This story is courtesy of Cyware, so Metaverse and cybersecurity threats. So what is the Metaverse? It is a hot topic for sure. Metaverse can be explained as, in the words of Trend Micro, the internet of experiences. However, the concept evolves. Definitions of the metaverse will change too. Now, this space is being haunted by potential cybersecurity threats, which have been delineated below, right? NFTs. So NFTs have already been suffering a huge amount of cyber attacks from all kinds of threat actors. Security issues involving NFTs include asset transfers and scammers cloning an NFT by modifying a few bits of data in the protected file. In May, attackers were found targeting Pixiv and DeviantArt users in Japan via fake job offers. The offers pretended to come from the Cyberpunk Ape executives' NFT project and infected the victim machines with info stealers. We have financial fraud. The high volumes of financial transactions over the metaverse are anticipated to attract cyber criminals attempting to steal money and digital assets. Researchers found that financial credentials have the second largest revenue potential for threat actors, only preceded by gaming site accounts. We have social engineering. Lately, phishing and smishing attacks employing social engineering tactics have become really popular among cyber criminals. For instance, Meta claimed to have taken action against two distinct cyber espionage campaigns operated by Bitter APT and Transparent Tribe on its social media platforms. Since the metaverse is not limited to physical boundaries, a greater number of people will be exposed to global scammers and social engineering attacks. Then we have conventional IT attacks. So while the metaverse is going to expand the attack surface, traditional cybersecurity threats, including DDoS, ransomware, and cloud-specific attacks, among others, will still run rampant. The bottom line, with massive investments made into Metaverse space, it is now necessary to start designing and implementing relevant security measures. As the concept is still evolving, building proper security strategies poses a challenge. However, anticipating these cybersecurity threats and acting proactively will help stay safe. So what do you guys think? The metaverse is a new thing. It's taken over by storm, but with new applications, with new ideas, especially in the virtual world, it presents more it presents not only more but new innovative ways for hackers to steal our credential information, our important information. So let me know in the comment section what you think. That's your news. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.